Every car starts as raw metal. Inside this factory, thousands of parts come together to create a single machine designed for the road.
This is where machines and humans work together to build cars at incredible speed and precision.
Flat sheets of steel are pressed into the shape of a car, using massive machines and perfect timing. These powerful presses shape metal into doors, roofs, and panels in just seconds.
Robots weld the car's skeleton together with speed, strength, and extreme accuracy.
Piece by piece, the car's structure becomes strong enough to protect passengers.
This is the moment a car finally starts to look like a car.
Multiple layers of paint protect the car and give it its final color and shine. Each layer has a job: protection, color, and a perfect glossy finish.
After painting, the car is baked to lock in the color and strength. This is the heart of the car, installed with millimeter-level precision. Miles of wires are carefully placed to power every system inside the car. Comfort meets engineering as the inside of the car comes to life. Every door and window must seal perfectly for safety and silence. Without these 4 points of contact, the car would never move. This is the first time the car can finally stand on its own. Before leaving the factory, every detail is carefully inspected.
Nothing ships until every system works exactly as it should. This test makes sure rain never gets inside your car.
This is the car's first breath of life. Every car is tested to meet safety and performance standards. Before delivery, each car is cleaned to look perfect.
This protects the car from damage during transport.
From here, these cars begin their journey to dealerships. In just hours, thousands of parts become a complete car. Modern cars are built by teamwork between humans and machines.
Precision, speed, and perfect timing make this process mesmerizing.
What takes months to design takes just hours to assemble.
This is the complete journey of a car, from metal to machine.
After thousands of steps, this car is finally ready for the road.